get you throw batteries in the trash? Well, simple answer is because they cause fires, really big fires, $200,000 fires. Essentially, a lithium-ion battery, which is a really common type of battery nowadays, is pretty flammable, and that's because of the element lithium that's in the battery that makes it batterize. Is that a word? I don't know. It is now. That gives things energy from batteries. And when you throw those batteries away, especially they get in contact with something liquid, specifically water, they tend to catch fire. And that's not great because we have to put them out, and if we don't, it costs us a $200,000 trash truck. It can also hurt people. We end up having to dump trash in the middle of the road, which nobody likes. And so that's the big reason we don't allow lithium ion or really any batteries into our trash stream. So you have to, according to law, take those to a hazardous waste facility. There's a couple spread out throughout our county area. There's one in Milton, one in Crestview, and then one down in Fort Walton Beach. So major takeaway, please don't catch our trucks on fire, because eventually it will cost everybody more, because we'll have to raise prices to pay for new trucks that are not on fire or haven't been burned. So help us keep prices low by not throwing batteries in your trash.